Hi friends, today video about Doogee S96 GT.
Life with meaning, I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my
Doogee S96 GT. The model from 2021 is the phone's direct replacement. First, the CPU has been upgraded to a Helio G95, followed using the most recent version of Android OS. And finally, the internal memory and front camera megapixel count have been boosted. However, you do get a 6.22-inch HD Plus screen with an IPS display and an above-average notch. Doogee S96 GT. The screen of the smartphone is 6.22-inch with a resolution of 720 x 1520 pixels. Corning Gorilla Glass protects the device's screen. The Doogee S96 GT's CPU power comes from MediaTek's Helio G95 SoC, as was already established. The chipset features a powerful 2.1 GHz 8-core CPU, Mali-G76 GPU, 8 GB of RAM, and a huge 256 GB ROM. An external 512 GB SD card may still be used to increase the internal capacity. A 48-megapixel primary lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, a 2-megapixel macro, and a fourth 20-megapixel night vision camera are all included in the Doogee S96 GT's camera specifications. Additionally, there are 4 LEDs for the night sensor and 4 more for the main camera configuration. A Sony IMX616 sensor with a 32-megapixel maximum is now used as the selfie lens. The phone is available in green, black, and orange hues and has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. A 6,350 mAh battery with a 24W rapid charger powers the device, and Google Android 12 OS is pre-installed. The gadget measures 167 x 81.4 x 15.5 mm in size and 310 grams in weight. It offers MIL/STD 810H compliance, IP68, IP69, K dust or water resistance, up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, and drop to concrete resistance from as high as 1.8 meters. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no